Hey guys, welcome Biography of African Icon. In this series, we bring you the stories of great men and women who have made significant contributions to the development of Africa. We'll be looking at their lives, accomplishments, and the challenges they faced. For our first episode, we'll be profiling Melchior Ndadaye, the man who gave his life for democracy in Burundi. So Melchior Ndadaye was born on March 28, 1953, in Marama, in southern Burundi. He was born a Hutu, and in a country which has been long dominated politically by the Tutsi minority. This fact would have a huge bearing on his life and the course of Burundi's history. His family had to flee to Rwanda in 1972, when ethnic violence erupted in Burundi, killing tens of thousands of Hutus. Young Melchior finished his secondary studies while in exile in Rwanda, and later graduated with a degree in banking and economics from the National University of Rwanda. He returned to Burundi in the 1980s when things had calmed down a bit. He worked as a teacher, economist, and civil servant. Those who knew him described him as someone with a sharp intellect and a calm and pleasant demeanor. It wasn't long before he was at the center of politics. In 1986, he co-founded the Front for Democracy in Burundi, the first major political party led by Hutus, advocating democracy, ethnic reconciliation, and civilian rule. This was way before many other Hutu parties emerged. Despite the threats and surveillance from the ruling military regime, he built strong grassroots support and went on to win Burundi's first democratic presidential election, held on June 1, 1993. He defeated his rival, Pierre Buyoya, with over 64% of the vote. This made him Burundi's first democratically elected president and the first Hutu president of the country. It was a victory for democracy and hope for reconciliation after decades of Tutsi military rule and ethnic division. As president, Ndadaye worked quickly to integrate the Tutsi minority into his government, reform the military, which was long dominated by Tutsi officers, promote freedom of speech, economic reform, and ethnic coexistence. He reached out to all ethnic groups in a country deeply marked by ethnic hatred, showing a commitment to national unity, justice, and peace. Sadly, Melchior Ndadaye didn't enjoy his victory for long. Just 4 months in office, on October 21, 1993, he was kidnapped and murdered along with several of his aides in a military coup led by hardline Tutsi officers. His death triggered massive ethnic violence and plunged Burundi into a 12-year civil war that killed an estimated 300,000 people. Melchior Ndadaye might have been president for only 8 months, but in that short time he demonstrated courage, integrity, and a commitment to democracy that inspired many. He paid the ultimate price for his beliefs, but his legacy lives on. In 2012, Bujumbura International Airport was renamed Melchior Ndadaye International Airport in his honor. And every October 21st, Burundi remembers him as a national day of remembrance. So there you have it, the story of Melchior Ndadaye, a true African icon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. And be sure to leave us a comment about what you thought of the video and who you'd like to see featured next. Until next time, stay tuned and keep being awesome.